Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Buffer with Canva for scheduled branded posts step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Buffer account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Integrations section on the left sidebar. Click on the Integrations option to open the integration settings. Scroll down until you find Canva in the list of available integrations. Click on the Connect button next to Canva. A new window will appear prompting you to log into your Canva account. Enter your Canva credentials and authorize the connection. After connecting, return to the Buffer dashboard. Now, click on the Content tab at the top of the Buffer interface. Select Create Post to start composing a new post. In the post creation screen, look for the Canva icon. Click on the Canva icon to open your Canva design library. Choose a design you wish to use for your post, or create a new one. Once you've selected or created your design, click on the Use This button. The design will automatically populate into your Buffer post. Add any additional text or hashtags you want to include. Schedule the post by selecting your desired publish time. Confirm the post by clicking the Schedule Post button. You will see a notification confirming that your post is scheduled successfully. Your Buffer account is now connected with Canva, allowing for easy scheduling of branded posts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.